Welcome, film is an ASUS ROG Phone 2, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot, which for me it's right here. And before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can change things like the password of it. So hotspot password. Now by default you can see that there is one, but it's completely random, so we can remove it and set our own. And it has to have at least 8 characters in length. Then we can change the AP band to here we have both, so that's what I would go with. This will ensure that you can get the best connection, assuming your device can connect to 5 gigahertz one. This will be the better one, faster and more stable. But it's nice that we have the both option, which if your device is an older one and it doesn't support the 5 gigahertz, then you can still use the 2.4. And from here, basically everything else is almost set, so I can also change the turn off hotspot automatically to either not do it or increase the time. This is of time after an activity, so if no one is connected for 5 minutes, it will after that time simply turn off on itself. And from here we can simply leave it. Now one thing to keep in mind also is the hotspot name. That will be the name that is visible in the Wi-Fi list. So from here, let's close this, go back and simply tap on it, and you can now connect to your hotspot using the password that you have set. And also it will give us information if someone is connected. It will be visible right here. So we have tethering or hotspot active. As you can see right now it's enabled, but there is no devices connected. If there were, it would show us that there is someone connected and the number of how many people are. So that is how you would enable and set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.